Hey everyone, this is Structural Steve back again today, and in this video I'm going to show you my #1 tip for all engineers, CAD designers working in Bentley products, the Quick Tools menu. Alright, so my #1 tip for CAD designers, engineers, or anybody using Bentley products like MicroStation, OpenRoads Designer, OpenBridge Modeler, any of those products like that, is the quick menu. Now the quick menu is something that is quick access to every tool you could possibly need. Now, the best way to access it is to have your left hand on the keyboard with your left ring finger on the Q key, the middle finger on the W key, and your index finger on the E key like shown here. Now when you hit the Q button, it's going to bring up that pop-up menu. And notice all of the items here that are listed. Everything you could possibly need. Now the most obvious ones that we use frequently are going to be move, copy, rotate, scale. So those are conveniently placed right where your fingers are at. So if I want to do a move command, instead of going and finding the move command up in here, I can just select the element and do Q, W. Right, then I'm moving it there. Copy would be QE, QE. Copy it up. I want to rotate it, QR. All right. Mirror, QY. So all those commands are right at your fingertips, and it's much faster, especially if you're in different workflows up in here. Your tools aren't always the same where they're at. And even if you have a tool palette over off the side over here, it's just quicker to use the quick pop-up menu to get anything you want here. Now some of the other things you have in here, attributes, primary selection, dimensioning, detailing, text. So again, all these things here, very quick. Another one that I use a lot is measure, so that's Q, A, and then if I want to do distance is D. Right, we use measure quite a bit, so instead of going and finding that measure tool, just Q, A, D, and then I'm already measuring here. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a like, and make sure you subscribe so that you get notifications when the next video in the series comes out. Thanks for watching.